In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Telegram group links. We'll keep this straightforward, practical, and easy to follow so you can quickly find the links you need and add them wherever you plan to share or save them. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for the phrase Telegram Group Link Combat. This will bring up the well-known Combat directory, which organizes public Telegram groups by topic. When the results load, choose the official Combat listing rather than any ads or copycat sites. You're looking for a clean, directory-style page that focuses on Telegram communities, not unrelated tools. Once the Combat page opens, take a moment to select your language. You'll usually find a language option near the top or bottom of the page, or inside a simple menu. Choosing your preferred language helps the site display group titles and descriptions in a way that's easier to understand. And it can also influence the relevance of the groups you see. If you don't immediately see your language, try refreshing or checking the site's footer. It's often tucked away there. Now, it's time to find the group link you're after. Use the site's search bar to type in a topic or keyword, such as technology, fitness, travel, or whatever you're interested in. You can also browse categories or tags if you're exploring. When you open a group's page, look for the visible invite link or a join button that points directly to Telegram. Before you copy or use the link, skim the group description and check basic details like member count and recent activity. This helps you confirm the group is active and aligned with what you want. If a listing looks suspicious or low quality, simply back out and choose another. There are plenty to pick from. That's really all there is to it. You search for Telegram Group Link Combat, open the Combat directory, set your language for clarity, and then locate the specific group link on the group's page. It's a simple, reliable way to collect Telegram group links without guesswork. As a helpful habit, consider keeping a small document or note on your device where you paste the links you find, along with a short description of each group. This makes it easy to organize them by topic and quickly share them later. And as always, be mindful of each community's rules and avoid sharing private or restricted links without permission. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps and you'll be able to find and add Telegram group links faster and more confidently every time.